Are you receiving suspicious emails or worried about phishing attacks? Phishing emails often appear as lottery wins, urgent bank alerts, or account verification requests. These messages try to trick you into sharing sensitive information like passwords or personal details. In this video, we will learn how to analyze email headers to identify phishing emails and detect suspicious activity.
Now, let's understand what an email header is. An email header contains the technical information of an email message. It shows details like the real sender, the servers the email passed through, and authentication results. By checking these details, you can verify whether an email is legitimate or suspicious. Now let's start analyzing email headers for phishing. The first step is to view the full email header. To do this, open gmail.com. You can also do this in Outlook or Yahoo, but in this example, we will use Gmail. Open the email that you want to analyze. Then click on the three dots on the right side of the email. From the list, select Show Original. This will display the raw email header data, which investigators use to analyze the source and authenticity of an email. Now, in the second step, we need to look at the received fields in the email header. You can also press Ctrl F on your keyboard and search for the word Received. These fields show the path the email traveled through different mail servers before reaching your inbox. Always read them from bottom to top to identify the original sending server. Now in the third step, check the authentication results such as SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. To do this, press Ctrl F on your keyboard and search for SPF. As you can see, the result shows Pass. Next, search for DKIM. This also shows Pass. Finally, search for DMARC. It also shows Pass. These security checks confirm whether the email was actually sent from the claimed domain. If any of these checks fail, the email could be suspicious. Now, the fourth step is to verify the sender and the IP address. To do this, press Ctrl F again and search for IP. Scroll down until you find IP equals, where you will see a set of numbers. Select and copy these numbers as this is the sender's IP address. Next, open Google and search for IP address lookup. Choose any reliable website from the search results. Paste the copied IP address into the lookup field and click IP lookup. The tool will show information about that IP address, including the organization or server that sent the email. This helps you verify whether the email is coming from a legitimate source. These methods are helpful, but they also have some limitations. Email headers often contain long and complex technical records, which can make manual analysis difficult and time-consuming, especially when dealing with multiple emails. To simplify this process, investigators can use advanced email forensics tools that provide clear header previews, routing details, and IP information. These tools also maintain evidence integrity using MD5 hashing. By analyzing email headers, you can identify the real source of a message and protect yourself from phishing attacks. For a detailed guide, check the full article linked below.